how to get the email numbers, cell phone numbers, and phone numbers, and even the social media of home sellers that are in pre-foreclosure totally for free in this video. Step number 1, if you don't have the list, contact your local escrow company and title company and tell them to send you the foreclosure list to your inbox for free, and you'll close your transactions with them. Step number 2, once you get the email list from the title company, you will type into Google skip tracing company, and you'll use one of these skip tracing companies to input the seller's address, and that skip tracing company will give you the seller's phone numbers, emails, social media. Depends on how good that skip tracing company is. Very simple. You put that information into the database, and now you start your marketing campaign. Thank you so much for clicking the like button. I hope that helped.